Hi everyone, this is JV, and I'll be taking you through an event from Audax Randonneurs Philippines for a 200-kilometer bike ride here in Baler, Aurora. For those not familiar, Audax Randonneurs is a global, long-distance, and a non-competitive cycling event. This one has a 200-kilometer route here in Baler, which is in the northern part of the Philippines. This route is oceanside, so on most times you'll be able to see the open water, like this view right here. Now let's talk how hard this route is. There are 4 small mountains to cross and then a U-turn at the 100-kilometer mark, which means we need to climb 8 times. That's 8! But before I start ranting, here's the first descent. Okay, we are now at kilometer 42, the first checkpoint. We hand over our QR code to scan, and this will be the proof that we cycled up to this point. These climbs are brutal, but adding salt to injury, this guy right here is en route back already. And we're still halfway on our 4th mountain. Good job. Okay, time to enjoy this 3-kilometer downhill before suffering again for a 25-kilometer flats to reach the U-turn slot at the 100-kilometer mark. At last, we reached the U-turn checkpoint. It's now time to head back. Last 100 kilometers to go. All right. Didn't get the chance to document the way back since we are suffering to climb the last 4 inclines. Alright, we finally made it. I finished with 13 hours total, just 30 minutes shy of the cutoff time. I must admit, this is one of the hardest cycling events I had ever done. I can't wait to not do this again.